If you were told that the strength of your legs in some way could determine how long you'd live, and also plays an important role in your overall health, would you believe it? Maybe you would, maybe you wouldn't. Yes, it is true that your longevity can be determined by the strength of your legs because they directly show how active you are. And in other words, how active you are, how well developed and how strong your legs are can contribute greatly to your lifespan and your health as a whole. This now begs the question, how can I develop strong legs or build bigger leg muscles to live longer and enjoy good health? Most people believe that walking or running are the only exercises you need to do to develop strong legs and build bigger leg muscles, since they are the only main activities associated with the legs. But this is only true to a level. Though walking and running are the main activities associated with the legs, but they are not the only way to develop strong legs and build leg muscles. In fact, there are a ton of exercises one can do to build leg muscles and develop strong legs. And the more options you have to help you build stronger and bigger legs, the better it is. In this video, we'll be revealing 9 great exercises you can perform to build bigger and stronger legs, which will in turn increase your lifespan, improve your health, and decrease your chances of getting certain illnesses as a result of inactivity. Number 1. Romanian deadlift. The Romanian deadlift is a great exercise that focuses on your glutes and the superior end of your hamstrings. First, stand behind a grounded barbell. Bend your knees slightly to grab it, keeping your shins back and hips straight. Without bending your back, push your hips forward to lift the bar. From upright, push your hips back to lower the bar, bending your knees only slightly. You should know that Romanian deadlifts target your hamstrings more than the standard form, making them ideal for people wishing to strengthen this area. They also put less pressure on your low back and are ideal for people with back pain. By consistently doing the Romanian deadlift, you strengthen the muscles of your legs, including the glutes too. Number 2. Barbell side lunge. The barbell side lunge is done by standing your legs under your hips while holding a barbell on your back. Then you step your right leg out to the side and lower your body as you bend your knee, keeping your left leg straight. Once you do this, drive yourself back up to standing position and repeat on the other side. The barbell side lunge helps in working on your inner and outer thighs and may even help to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Not just that, the barbell side lunge can prevent the muscles in your thighs from atrophying and can help increase the size of your thighs. Other benefits of this exercise include strengthening your ankle joints and will help you correct muscle imbalance. Number 3. Battle ropes reverse lunge. The battle ropes reverse lunge is another great exercise that focuses on the lower body. It focuses on the biceps and glutes and hip flexors and quadriceps as well as the forearms. First, start by holding the ends of the rope in each hand with your thumbs parallel and your feet shoulder-width apart in an athletic stance. Once you do that, swing your arms up and down in a constant, controlled motion, moving the rope in a wave motion as you simultaneously step back and lower your knee to the ground to lunge, one leg at a time. This exercise can be quite demanding, so do not perform it if you recently had any knee injuries, but if you do not have any, you can just do it regularly. Number 4. Kettlebell pistol squat. For the kettlebell pistol squat, hold one kettlebell with both hands just under your chin. Lift one leg off the floor and squat down with the other. Then, drive through the heel and bring yourself back up to a standing position. Without letting your leg touch the floor, lower back down and repeat. This particular exercise will help you develop stronger leg muscles and flexible ankle joints. It will also work on your glutes, hamstrings, calves, core muscles, etc. Also, if you had issues with back squats, then the pistol squat can be a great substitute. Number 5. Single leg curl. The single leg curl is a machine-based exercise that focuses on the legs. To do the single leg curl, you have to lie face down on the leg curl machine with your heels against the lower pad and the bench against your thighs. Then bend one knee to pull the pad up towards your backside as far as possible. Then return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. By doing this exercise regularly, you tend to build the size and strength of your hamstrings and improve your glutes and calves. This exercise is very beneficial and helps in building stronger and bigger legs because it targets the hamstrings, biceps, femoris, semitendinosus, and semimembranosus, and calf muscles. Number 6. Single leg deadlift. Start by holding 2 dumbbells in front of your thighs with palms facing inwards, then slowly lift one leg straight behind you, bending the other slightly, and lean forward so that your arms lower the dumbbells towards the floor. Pause, then return to an upright position. Doing leg exercises like the single leg lift will help stimulate the release of large amounts of hormones such as cortisol, testosterone, and human growth hormone, HGH. Number 7. Sumo squat. Doing the sumo squat is quite easy. First, you stand with your feet wider than your shoulder width apart, holding a barbell across your upper back with an overhand grip. Take care to not arch your back. Push your hips back and bend your knees to lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then drive your heels into the floor to push yourself explosively back up to the starting position. The sumo squat targets all the muscles on your lower body, and by doing this exercise regularly, you tend to improve your strength, mobility, and structure. Number 8. Standing long jump. Also known as the broad jump, the standing long jump is another great exercise that will help you build stronger and bigger legs. Start by lowering yourself into a squat position with your feet shoulder width apart. Swing your arms back to use them to propel yourself forward. Then bring your legs forward for additional momentum. Then jump as far as you can and land on the soles of your feet. This particular exercise works the muscle groups like your glutes, hip flexors, and quadriceps. And not just that, it also affects your abs, groin, hamstrings, and calves. Whether you're a beginner or not, doing the standing long jump will help you build stronger legs and bigger leg muscles. Other benefits of the standing long jump include boosting your body's metabolic rate and improving your oxygen capacity. Also, performing this exercise can help in improving your balance, health, and cardiovascular health. Number 9. Barbell box step-ups. The barbell box step-up is another great exercise for building lower body strength and power. This exercise specifically focuses on all the same muscles as body weight step-ups, such as the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, but allows for greater muscular overload. The benefits of doing the barbell box step-up is that it helps in building lower body strength and power. And it can also be used as a substitute for squats if they hurt your back and reveal any imbalance between your legs. To do the barbell box step up, firstly stand up straight while holding a barbell placed on the back of your shoulders, slightly below the neck, and stand upright behind an elevated flat platform, like a bench. This is your starting position. Then place the right foot on the elevated platform. Step onto the platform by extending the hip and the knee of your right leg. Use the heel mainly to lift the rest of your body and place the foot of the left leg on the platform as well. Breathe out as you execute the force required to come up. Step down with the left leg by flexing the hip and knee of the right leg as you inhale. Return to the original standing position by placing the right foot next to the left foot in the initial position. Lastly, repeat with the right leg for the recommended amount of repetitions and then perform with the left leg. These are 9 great exercises you can incorporate into your daily routine if you are looking to build bigger and stronger legs and in turn increase your lifespan. Know that your dream legs will not appear overnight after 1 or 2 times of doing any of these exercises, but you'll be able to build the bigger and better legs you desire if you remain consistent with the exercises. Also, you do not have to do all 9 exercises at once. Simply stick to 2 to 4 exercises that are favorable for you and you'll do just fine. Did you find this video helpful? Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also turn on your notification button so you can get buzzed whenever we upload a new video.